Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would talk about Complexion Perfection. We're actually going to talk about perfecting your overall complexion with just some easy tinted moisturizer-like products. These products are going to focus on minimizing imperfections, balancing out oil production, or at least the appearance thereof, minimizing uneven skin tone, and maybe adding a little bit of moisture to your skin. It should come as no surprise that my first pick for this product category is EltaMD's UV Elements SPF 44. Now, this product does a good job of kind of everything I look for in a daytime product. It minimizes imperfections, it helps hydrate, but just a little bit. It doesn't feel heavy. It gives me that SPF 44 protection, and it sticks around. It's water resistant up to 40 minutes, and I can't find any problems with it. With that said, this product has a very light tint. It is neutral, it's not overly yellow, and it's not overly red. And a good thing to remember with this kind of product, in general, what we want to do is just brighten or minimize some of those discolorations that the skin naturally has. Overall, it's sheer coverage, which means it's going to help minimize some of those under eye circles, even out skin tone, minimize redness, and help kind of minimize the appearance of any uneven skin tones or dark spots. With that said, this is perfect for most easy days, whether you're just running to the gym, running errands, or if you tend to go for sort of a no makeup look. I find it's really easy to blend down through my beard. I don't have any difficulties with it pilling up or any of that flakiness that can happen sometimes with tinted products through the beard line. It just blends in beautifully. As far as skincare ingredients goes, it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and a vitamin E. Now, the vitamin C and E are definitely going to help with antioxidant protection, as well as they make the sunscreen work harder. The hyaluronic acid acts as a humectant, so it draws moisture to it. Just make sure that if you have a truly dry skin type, that you add a moisturizer underneath it. Otherwise, it could wind up making your skin look a little off by the end of the day. The SPF 44 is from a blend of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. That means it's a mineral-based sunscreen, so most irritable skin conditions, whether it's eczema, acne-prone, or rosacea-prone, should do just fine with it. Elta MD does a really great job at providing skincare for post-procedural and very irritable skin conditions. So that means if you've had a laser peel, or if you've had microdermabrasion, or even just if you're using a heavy retinol or your skin is a little bit more touchy, these products are going to be very low irritation and still help to take care of your skin from the sun, as well as provide the nutrients that it needs to be healthy and improve that barrier function. So definitely a great option for more sensitive skin types. This is my go-to product for kind of daily wear. If you haven't seen it in other videos, I definitely show it a lot because I use it a lot. It does what I want as far as minimizing imperfections, but not looking makeup-y. It's got a good SPF in it that's mineral-based. Most zinc products I find leave too much of a white cast, and this does a great job of minimizing that. And it just does a really good job of keeping my skin balanced. So I don't look overly shiny, I don't look overly matte, just looks like either a satin finish or a natural skin finish. Next up is a product that I used to use religiously, and for whatever reason I just stopped using it. But it's the Lab Series for Men BB Tinted Moisturizer. Now, the name is a little bit redundant because BB cream and tinted moisturizer are basically the same thing, but we'll leave that alone for now. This product has an SPF 35 rating, and it has a blend of mineral and chemical sunscreens. That means that the formula is a little bit thinner and lighter weight than if they had to do all mineral sunscreen, and it's a little less likely to cause irritation or sensitization for the very sensitive skin types than if they had used all chemical sunscreens. So I find it's pretty on point for most skin types. This product is a little bit lighter in color and tone than the Elta MD, and it almost has like a peachy undertone. Now, peach undertones in a product like this are gonna help the skin look overall brighter and more vivacious. That means that if you're looking a little haggard, or if you had a late night out, or if you have those dark circles sticking around, it's gonna help to minimize them more than just a neutral tone would. As far as the product goes, it looks a little shiny going on, but if you wait just a couple minutes, it does die down into a nice satin finish. Looks very skin-like, natural, undetectable. It's got caffeine and acetylglucosamine in it, which is going to help to overall take down some of that puffiness, help move out any of the excess fluid that gives you those puffy under eyes, as well as just an overall puffy face look. Overall, I love this product. It does a great job of providing nutrients to your skin and good cell communicating ingredients that will help your skin look and behave better in the long run, as well as a decent sun protection and a lightweight moisturizing base. The only thing that I have difficulty with is, for a men's product, I wish it worked through the beard line a little bit better. It does tend to pill up a little bit through there and just doesn't look particularly natural if you move it through a particularly dark beard. But all in all, it's a great product, totally worth trying. Next up is a newer product from an indie line called Strictly Man Supply Company. Now, this product does a good job of brightening the overall tone. It is a little bit of a thicker product straight out of the bottle, but doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It only comes in one shade at the moment, so the light medium doesn't suit all skin tones and it just barely fits mine, but it does a good job when I haven't been getting much sun, and definitely towards the winter months it did a better job of matching my tone pretty well. This product does die down into a pretty matte finish, almost powder matte, which is certainly desirable by some, and the more moisturizing base didn't leave me feeling cakey or overly dried out in my drier beard line areas. Last but certainly not least is Peter Thomas Roth's Skin to Die For. Now this comes in a CC cream with multiple different colors and an SPF, but this one in particular is the No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. So this doesn't have an SPF and it doesn't have hardly any tint at all. So this product comes out lightly tinted, but a very satiny, velvety texture. That means it's got lots of silicone and dimethicone in it. Now, before you run screaming, silicone and dimethicone get a bad rap when it comes to skincare. I'll try to do a video on it at some point, kind of dispelling the myths, but the short version is silicone and dimethicone can do a couple of different things that are really beneficial for a skincare product. One, they can act as sort of a time release for active ingredients. That means that the skincare ingredients will have more time to absorb into the skin as opposed to being instantly active on the surface. This works great for ingredients that may have some risk of irritation at higher concentrations and you want to kind of buffer their absorption, but still want to get those added benefits of high-powered ingredients. And the other thing that they can do is exactly what's happening now. It minimizes imperfections by blurring the surface of the skin. It's purely optical, it's like Photoshop for the skin. It'll help minimize the appearance of pores by blurring them out, helps minimize fine lines and wrinkles by making them look a little bit softer focus, as well as it's gonna help control shine. So it can absorb some oil as well as just deflect the light bouncing off of it so that when you take a picture or if there's direct sunlight, it doesn't look like a high shine surface like it would if it was as oily as my skin tends to get by the end of the day. The tint does almost nothing unless you have truly, truly fair skin. But for most skin types, it's really just gonna blend in like there's nothing there and minimize those pores, minimize shine, and give you kind of a overall photoshopped appearance. It's the hashtag no filter look. I do want to point out that it makes a claim on the bottle that it will minimize the appearance of pores long term. Just know that there's no way to change the actual size of a pore. Anything that is pore minimizing in the long term, it's just going to reduce the look by clearing it out and having less gunk in there to be visible to the naked eye. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of the Complexion Perfectors that I use. If you use one that you love and I didn't talk about it, leave a comment down below. I'd love to give it a try and do a review on it. Don't forget to subscribe, and to those of you who have already subscribed, thank you. I really do enjoy doing these videos, and I'm working on some of your requests, so keep an eye out and they should be coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.